Ugh, time to take a bath and get ready for bed. Royal High looks so pretty. Oh, sissy, 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 sissy. What do you need, Sophie? Well, the thing is, I can't find my PJ drawer. Oh my gosh, you silly. Maybe your PJ drawer is with your other drawers. Okay, I'll go look. Talking about PJs, I should put my PJs on. Okay, got my PJs on. Now I should probably work on my hair. Ugh, that feels better. I'm all ready for bed now. Sophie, you found your PJs? Yeah, is that a bad thing? No, not at all. Where were they? Where were my PJs? Yeah, where were your PJs? Obvious week where they were in the PJ drawer. I heard, Sissy, that tomorrow you're sneaking out to go to Royal High. I want to say you're incorrect, but you're not. Can I come with you? Please, please, please. I really want to go. I really want to go. Daddy's really boring. I'll look into it, but I don't think your age can go. No, I really, really, really want to go, though. Who will you be friends with? You have to have me. I need to be your friend. I'm sorry, Sophie, but... No buts. Tell me. You have to be 16 to go, and you are not 16. I can jump, and then I'll look like I'm 16. Look, I'm really sorry, Sophie. And I thought you were a good sister. Sophie, I feel really, really bad. I think it's time for me to go to bed. Yes, finally, she's asleep. It's my time. Wait a minute. I don't want to go to bed. I'm sleepwalking. No, I'm not. Blah, 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 blah. I'm sleepwalking. Can I play with you? Sissy, I'm sleepwalking. Oh no, I hear her. What was that? Oh wait, I forgot. It's time to pack before Dad wakes up. Oh no, I think Sophie's sleepwalking. I want to get on my bed. Sleep good, Sophie. Sorry, I'm a bad sister. Time to pack. Oh, I love all my stuff and I don't want to leave. But I need to step on grass one day. There, I'm all packed. Better go check on Sophie. Oh, Sophie, what did you do? How are you doing that? I have learned yoga. I know you are trying to make me want to bring you, but I'm not going to let you. Why, Sissy? Why won't you just let me go? I'm not going to let you go because I don't want to risk losing you. And also, I need someone to cover for me. Wait. You're saying I get to cover for you? Like we're secret spies? Yep. Yay. One thing is... What is the one thing? Tell me the one thing. You gotta be serious for once. Fine. What is the one thing? I need you to protect Dad. What? I don't know what you're talking about. Wait, how will I take care of Dad if he takes care of me? You have to tell me. You teach me, I will teach you the ways of my yoga. Okay, you can stop now. I was gonna tell you anyways. What is it? What is it? What is it? Dad has a secret bag of candy, and if you snatch it for me, I will grant you with powers. Why do you need candy? Tell me. Okay, get away from me. You're a little too close. What is it? Kids at school are gonna give me popularity if I give them candy. So I'm gonna need you to bring it to me tomorrow. I'm listening. But what else? Can you get me new PJs? Fine, but I have to leave tonight. I mean, right now. I don't really like the sound of that. I just don't want you to get cold out there. I don't want you to leave me forever. I want to see you. Call your computer every night and I'll be waiting for you on it. Okay? Okay. I better get going now. Wait, you need to get your clothes on. Oh yeah. Thank you, Sophie. I'm gonna miss you, sissy. Huggy. Hug. Huggies, 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 huggies. I better get ready now. I should too. I don't like the fact that I have to leave my family. But at the time, I need to go to school. I need to show everyone I can, not cannot. I need to show everyone the real me. It's time to show everyone who I actually am. Already, it's time to say my goodbye. Sophie, you look beautiful. I don't want you to leave. I don't want to leave either. But you are. Why? Just stay. I need to live a normal life. When you're 16, I can come over anytime and tell you how you can do this, and then we can go to high school together. I'll see you in 3 years. Just kidding, I'll see you in 6. You're the best little sister I've ever had, and that will never change. Thank you. I love you, sissy. Love you too, Sophie. Time to leave my note down for Dad. Here you go, Dad. Bye, Sophie. Bye. Royal High. So cool. Well, I might not have the list of where my classes are when they are. Maybe I can just find someone. Hello? What's your name? Hi, my name's Shelby. What do you want? Never mind. Hi, what's your name? Ugh, new kid. They're so mean. Oh, that girl seems nice. I'm gonna get a locker right by her. I'll just do my favorite numbers. Yay. Who are you? Huh? I said, who are you? Hi, my name's Clara Ref. What's your name? My name's Ellie White. I'm the popular kid in school. Oh. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, 'cause usually, it's okay. Anyways, nice to meet you. I like your outfit. I like yours too. Thank you for, like, helping me. Oh, yeah, anytime. Do you want me to show you where English is? Oh, yes, please. Let's go. Wrong way. Sorry. Go. Where are you going? I'm going to English. Okay. Are you sure English is that way? I bet it's up there. Well, it is. You're in luck. Now listen. Ugh. I usually help the kids at school, so that's why I'm helping you. Lunch. Whoa. Never looked at a real lunch table before. Do I know you or something? Oh no, this is my first time ever actually stepping on grass. Huh? Yeah. Cool. Thank you. Okay, do you want me to show you around? Well, first, come over here. Not over there. Over here. Okay. What's this? Ancient art room? This is where art class is. See, we both got F's because, well, yeah, we didn't go to class. But I don't get in trouble for it. You might though. Okay, well, anyways, is there anyone who knows you're even here? Nope, not really. Do you want me to take you to the principal's? Here. The principal's is up here. Come on. Royal office? Very royal. You better be good. What do I do? Do I sit down? I don't know, but let's go to chemistry. How? Just hit go. Okay. Why are we still here? I don't know either. It's probably just, oh, we're here. I better do chemistry. I don't know how to do this. Maybe it's orange. I don't know my colors. Maybe it's all blue. Ouch. We forgot our books. That's weird. Bleh. Are we kicked out now? Yes, I guess. I'm stuck in this gross goo stuff. This is JJ. Say hi. Hi, JJ. Ellie, why do you bring so many cool, weird strangers with you? I gotta go. This is Little Amazing Unicorn. Hi. We got F's again. Whoa. We should grab our music books. Okay. Let's get my music book out of here. Why won't it let me get my stuff? Because you already have a different locker. Silly. Thank you for showing me around. You're welcome.